Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a quick home goods Dollar Tree haul, as you can tell from the title. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe, give me a big old like, make sure to share and comment on these videos, and let's get into it. Okay, so today I was running around like crazy. I had such a busy day yesterday, Tuesday. I was like sick. I had some kind of stomach thing. So I couldn't do videos ahead of time. So I've just been completely unprepared for the last 2 weeks. So instead of doing a tutorial today, I figured we could just go ahead and do a haul because I had to go to the Dollar Tree anyway. And it seems that you guys like Dollar Tree hauls. So more paper towel. I got like 4 of these. So I'm probably just going to be throwing some stuff on the floor, except for the glasses I got, and in this box over here too. So 4 of those, and I just dropped something else. I got some more sandwich containers because I had a ton of sandwich containers for Cameron and Autumn for their lunches, and I have no idea what happened to them. So it's only like 2 left in here. So I got 2 different colors, so both of them will be satisfied. More gloves because I hate my hands being so wet because it makes my nails real brittle. So bought more gloves. I needed this picture frame for a project that I'm going to be doing next week. So that's what this is for. Then I got something that I hadn't seen before at the Dollar Tree, and it's these little egg containers. They were so cute, so I figured I had to get them, and I got 3. I thought I only got 2, but I got 3 of these and only 2 tops, so that kind of sucks. But maybe I can use this one for some kind of tutorial. So now I have 2 for the refrigerator. These I bought to see if my ribbons will fit in them because I'm trying to reorganize down here like I told you guys in my vlog. So I got 8 of these, and I'm pretty sure some of my ribbons will be able to fit in here, but I thought this would be a really cute place, neat to put ribbons in. So yeah, I got 8 of these, and if you're wondering, I got these in the like kitchen section, or I don't know if it would be considered kitchen section, but it's over where all the stuff for like the containers and the paper towel and everything is in the dollar store. So that's where I found these. And then I got some glasses. I got kind of frustrated as the guy was like wrapping my glasses. He was, first of all, he was taking forever, and then he ran out of like the paper to wrap my glasses. So these last 2 did not get wrapped, which thankfully I didn't break them, but I got these. I will be decorating these, so we will be having tutorials on how to decorate these. There are videos up on my channel already on how to decorate wine glasses. Not that style, but I do have 1 or 2 up, I believe. I got some glass bowls for when I do my seafood boils for my mukbangs that I'll be doing on my vlog channel. I got these little goblet glasses, wine glasses. I actually got 2 of those. I don't know what all. It's like he put his trash in here too. Thanks for that. So I got another bowl, just in case I want more than 1 sauce. Okay, and then our final thing is my glasses. So I want to decorate these, personalize them, so when I do my mukbangs, I have pretty glasses. These I thought were so awesome. I don't know how I'm going to decorate these ones just yet, but I'll figure it out, and you'll be watching either on this channel or on my blog. So guys, make sure you're checking that out, because I want to do more than just import my YouTube videos on my blog. So that is the haul for today, guys. Like I said, I've been running around like crazy all day. I just needed a few things from the Dollar Tree. The kids had a half day today, so you may hear them running around. I still have something to do for my friend for Girl Scouts. So, and then I have a few other things I have going on today. So today is really crazy. So this video probably is going to be late. I'm going to try my best to get it up by 6 p.m. Eastern time, but if not, please excuse me, guys. I'm so sorry. Life just gets really busy sometimes. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a big old like so I know what kind of videos you like. Make sure you're subscribed, and also make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you get notified every time I upload. Make sure you're following me on Instagram because I will put posts and updates and things like that on my Instagram. So make sure you're following me there. And there are some other fun links down below if you want to check them out. And until next time, bye!